to say about the matching board. The topic is about statistics group data. Before that you have to take the calendar board or else the thick cardboard, okay, because calendar board is mandatory for making the matching board. Make it arrange 10 calendar board is available, okay. If you don't have, you can get it from your friends or neighborhoods or else from your relatives, nearby relatives, like that, because we did 10 matching boards. So really I got struggle at that time. I had only 5 matching boards, 5 calendar boards that time. Then after that I asked my friends, neighborhood friends and nearby relatives, but it's really difficult to get 10 at that time. So I took the thick cardboard. Then I have pasted the chart in front and back side also. Then at the edge you can paste the colorful cellophane tape at all the 4 sides, because at the commission time this cellophane tape will be really very helpful for you, because this edge and corner will not bend, the chart will not tear also. If you stick the cellophane tape, then really it will be helpful for you. So this is mandatory. Pasting the cellophane tape is really mandatory. So paste the cellophane tape on 4 corners, okay, on 4 sides. Then you have to do the partition. How many partitions you want, you can make it, but I did 5 partitions. Then before writing itself, I just put the hole. Look how I put the hole at here. Take this kind of needle. This is chalk needle. Do you know chalk? No, in Tamil we can say chalk. That chalk needle, chalk தைக்கிற ஊசி இருக்கும்ல, அந்த ஊசி எடுத்துக்கணும். So we have to take this chalk needle and we have to put the holes. Then start to write statistics. This is for group data. First we have to write the mean direct method, then assumed mean method, then third one is step deviation method, then fourth one is median, then fifth one is mode. Then first we have to write the left hand side. Then at the right hand side you have to write it different boxes, not equal. You have to write it in different boxes. Look at here, mean direct method, the answer should be in any of this side. I wrote it at here, okay, and I mentions very small. Look at here, I mentioned very small as 1 at here. See, because it's easy for me while tag this rope. So I put small in pencil, 1 2 like this. So in the main direct method, the formula is at here, x bar equal to summation fx by summation f. Then for the assumed mean method, then answer is at the down. Look at here, x bar equal to a plus summation fd by summation f. Then third one, step deviation method, the answer is at top, x bar equal to a plus summation fd by summation f into c. Then for the median, the answer is at here. Look, L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. Then for the mode, at last fifth one, mode, the answer is at here, L plus f minus f1 by 2f minus f1 minus f2 into c. So before showing it to the students, you have to write it in matching board format, I mean matching format. As like match the following, you have to write it. Look, if any of the students say the answer as wrongly, then you have to use this one. If you use this matching board, then really it will be very helpful for them. If they say correctly, then it's really fine, but if they use the wrong answer, then that time you need to pull and show it. Okay, main direct method, then the answer should be at here, then you have to pull the rope like this and show. Look, pull the rope. For the first one, the answer is at here. I pull the rope at here. So like this you have to pull and show. That's it. So second one, where is the answer? Assume mean method, so the answer is at the bottom. Because if you pull and show to the students, then all the 40-50 students will listen sharply. Their thinking diversion will not go anywhere. They will focus on your class very well. So third one, step deviation method. So where is the answer? For the step deviation method, the answer is at here. Look, like this. Third one is answer at here. Then fourth one is median. Median answer is at here. Look, I lost this small ball, so I just try the what is that, sharpener at here. Then fifth one is mode. For the mode, where is the answer? From here to here. Okay, this side, in the left side you have to write it in the order wise. In the right side you have to write it in unordered form. Okay, not order form, unordered form. Okay, as like matching board. I'll ask like match the following. Okay, for the mode, the answer is at here. Okay friends, I think this statistics group data matching board will be helpful for you. If you like this video, like it, comment it and press the bell button for further updates. Thank you.